Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send euro with Wise. And the first thing that we are going to do and what you already needed to do is you need to verify your account because otherwise it's very hard to send money. Then after that we click here on send and then we fill in right here that we want to send money to Germany, for example. And I want to send euros. So we select right here how much we want to send. So we do 100 euros. And then we have a lot of options how we can send money. Because if we select right here the change option and we select here Wise, we can send money from our Wise account to that person if you are having money standing in your Wise wallet. If you don't have money standing in your Wise wallet like I have from here, we select other and then you can decide right here if you want to use ideal, bank transfer, credit card or debit card. So let's do, for example, right now a bank transfer, then we do add recipient. And then we can fill in as a recipient right here, a person from Wise, bank details, or maybe an upload screenshot or invoice. But that is not smart to do because we are interested in search on Wise or bank details. So we select right here bank details, someone else, and then we fill in right here the full name of the account holder and the IBAN. That is the option if it's inside Europe. If it's outside Europe, we fill in right here exactly the same, but we need to fill in a SWIFT or BIC code extra besides the Europe option. So then after that you do continue and then he will send you to the review page where you can check all your details. And then after that click on continue again and then you did the send euro from there and you will see the payment tab from there. So this is what you need to know to send euro with Wise. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.